So hello everyone, let us solve another LeetCode question, that is longest common prefix. So the question says that write a function to find the longest common prefix string amongst an array of strings. If there is no common prefix, we need to return the string empty. So let us see the first example and try to understand it. So these are the three strings given, and they said that the longest common prefix is FL. So let us see how this FL came. So you can see that FL is common in all of the three strings. So that's why they have returned FL. But you can see that FLO is common, FLOW is also common, FLOW here is also common. So can we return that? No, because FLOW is not common here. So we need to see what are the common letters in all three strings, and we need to return the length of, not length actually, but we need to return the longest prefix which is common in all three of them. Let's say FLOW, FLO is here, FLO is here, but FLO is not here, so we can't take FLO. So we will reduce it further. We can see that FL is here, FL is here, FL is here. So FL is present in all three of them. So obviously all the strings lesser than it will also be present in all three of them. So that's why we have returned FL. So how do we do this question now? So we can see that in this question we need to compare things, and the best way to compare things is to just first sort the elements so that we can compare them easily on the basis of the arrangement of the words. So after sorting, our array would look like this. So flight would be the first, flow would be the second, and flower would be the third one. Why this flight is first? Because you can see FL, FL and FL is common in three of them. So that is not the point of difference. The third character is the point of difference. I comes before O and O. So that's why it is the first first word present after sorting. So what we can observe here is, in order to get the most longest prefix among entire array, do we need to compare it with each and every element after sorting? No, because if we compare just first and last element and get the prefix among both of them, like the common prefix, longest common prefix among both of them, the rest all elements are already in between, so we don't need to take care of that. The worst possible scenario could be the most different strings. The most different strings could be the first string and the last string. So we can compare only those two strings, and among those two strings we need to find the longest common prefix, and that would surely be covered in between strings. Let's say for example we might have some other strings as well. So if we just find the common prefix between first and the last, it would be common in all of the strings in between. Why? Because these are the two strings that differ from each other the most. So the common part in both of them would obviously common in all of these also. If you still don't understand it, let's say take with the help of an example. If we have a sorted array of numbers, so how do we, in order to get the maximum difference, we would compare the first and last two elements. These are the two numbers which differ them by the most. So obviously in the case of characters also, we would take the first and last elements before, because these are the two strings that would differ the most. So that's why we will compare the first and the last string, and based on the comparison we will get the longest common prefix among both of them, and then we will return the answer as our final answer. Like the common prefix in both of them, we will return them as the answer, because rest all cases would already covered in between. So let us directly write the code now. So first we will sort the array, and we will take the first string and the last string. What is the first string? STRS of 0. What is the last string? strs of n minus 1, and we will now loop to both of these strings to find our longest common prefix in both of them. So we will maintain our answer initially empty, and whatever comes out to be our answer, we would return it in the end. So we start comparing both of the strings. So why we are taking the minimum length of first and last? Obviously, if our first strings end at the third character, so they can't be a bigger prefix than 3. So that's why we are taking the minimum of first size, first dot size and last dot size. So what is the breaking condition of the longest common prefix? If the first character in the first string is not equal to the character in the last string. So if these two characters are not equal, so for sure we can't get a bigger prefix after this. So we will break the loop and we will return our answer. Otherwise we would keep adding the characters into our answer. So let us see if it is working. So we need to write here strs. So it worked fine on sample test case. Let us try to submit it. So yeah, our answer got accepted. So hope you learned from this video. Thank you.